When thinking about innovation, the first thing most companies tend to focus on is product innovation. Through product design, innovation occurs by continually investing to enhance a product's features and benefits. And while we are unique in that we have a number of patented and innovative products that took strategy and investment and intention to develop, what sets us apart is we've taken the concept of innovation well beyond product.
Our business is people, and yes, we sell products, but we're also selling ourselves. And so if we ourselves can be innovative, in addition to the products that we provide, that's where we can really make a difference.
PCI began almost 40 years ago as a machine shop, a custom job shop where we were presented with exactly what our customers wanted, and we'd produce that very thing. We learned to do that extremely well. And now, decades later, after choosing to invest in engineering and design, after building a team who is driven to engage with our customers to help uncover their unique challenges, while we're still presented with the same kind of requests, now we look at those requests as an idea, as a starting place. And we add innovation to the engagement by acting as a trusted advisor for our customer, so that we can help uncover all of the unique possibilities within our core competencies that might help the customer arrive at their unique objective.
I think it means deeply understanding what the customer needs, or working closely with the customer so we can grasp a larger understanding of the problem that they're experiencing. And then we take that back, create new processes, and redreaming it a little bit to get us closer to a solution to the problem that they've been having. They might not even have known they had the problem.
Describe the product in 3 words: quality, quality, quality. I like to tell all the team that your name is on this. The customer is going to see it, and you want the customer to know that this is a good product. There's no, oh, that's good enough.
Our team is diverse from a lot of different ages and backgrounds and interests and skills. But I think the one thing that everyone has in common is a passion for the job and for being there for the customers and providing the highest level of service that they can.
It's a team unit. We bounce ideas off each other, figure things out. Everything we do in there you got to be 2 steps ahead, because you got to look at the end game before you even get started. We make a difference with each part we make.
Our customers routinely tell us that their experience working with PCI is different. It's special in some sort of way. So we spent some time thinking about what is it that sets PCI apart. Now, our innovative and patented products are definitely part of our value equation. Our quality is another key and critical component. But the fortifying agent of PCI's value is our people. Our entire organization is built upon a foundation of a set of guiding principles and success strategies that combine to form kind of a personal drive of, today, I've got to be the best version of me. That translates to an innovative combination of world-class products backed by a team that is absolutely driven to engage with our customers to uncover their next unique solution, a solution that might not have even existed before our engagement. That is how PCI defines solutions through innovation. And that is what we hope will make your experience working with PCI irreplaceable.